Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs the kingdom of heaven. Last, blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evil against you because of me. Rejoice and be glad, because great is your reward in heaven, for in the same way they persecuted the prophets who were before you. Okay, so these are the verses which talks about those who are blessed. They will be, you know, inheriting the kingdom of heaven. And all those who are poor in spirit, all those who are mourning, crying, or sad, all those who are meek, humble, and those who are hungry and thirsty for righteousness, all those who are merciful, pure in heart, and all those who are peacemakers, those who love peace, all those people are blessed in the sight of God. That is verse it is talking about. Okay, so you all must have, should be having your diary whenever we are meeting for assembly and our value education class, so that any one of you can read a Bible verse from the diary, and somebody should be praying. Okay, so first of all, I welcome all the students, those who are joining for the first time. I think many are there for the first time. I think Aman Khan is joining in the Zoom class for the first time, isn't it? Aman Khan, please switch on your video. Vania, please switch on your video. Mayank, please switch on your video. And Himanshu and Sufia, they are having network issues, they're saying. Otherwise, I cannot give you attendance with her. Please switch on your videos. Now, please have your notebooks and diary or whatever with you, like your pen or pencil, and you tell me what was the first theme for value education. So this is your value education class. So what was the theme? What are the different themes we have studied, and what was the first theme? Can anybody tell me?
Love.
Love. This month theme.
Accountability.
This month theme, right? Today's theme is accountability, as sir, not everyone. So every week we are having different theme. Okay, so please tell me what are the themes, and you must have seen the videos also. Somebody can tell Ayan to join the class. Stanley, can you call Ayan? Can Stanley cut the call in the Zoom? I mean, you can leave and you can call Ayan. Just call Ayan. I think he must not. Many students, they don't know. Yeah. So first theme was. Is anyone able to answer what was the first theme? Yes, Shayan. What was the first theme? किसी को याद नहीं है? Nobody knows. That means you people are not watching videos. What was the second theme? Third theme?
Ma'am, first theme was orderness.
Yes, कहीं से देखा? Did you see somewhere?
Suddenly in my mind it came about when you talked about video, then Shweta ma'am video came in my mind.
Yeah.
Which is and
the
activity
that I made, and secondly she made. Okay. So all of you write in your copy right now. Everybody write now. Write it now. Everybody write now. First theme. Yes. First theme is orderliness. First theme is orderliness. First theme is orderliness. Saad, please write somewhere. You asked some copies. So next time onwards, you please get ready with your copies and notebooks and a small pen with you to record something. Aman, you also write. Yeah, everybody ready? Shall I say the names of the themes of this month?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know whether Himanshi is able to join with us or not. Yeah. First theme is
Orderliness.
orderliness. Okay. Just a minute. Dhruv and Alina, they are messaging. Yeah. First theme was orderliness, and I have given one video. How many of you have watched? Only Ayan submitted me the activity. Stanley is back or not? He's still talking to Ayan?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I called Alicia. She's saying that उसके उधर का नेट बंद हो गया क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है इसलिए वो अटेंड नहीं कर सकती.
Okay. Tell her to watch the video then.
Okay.
Yeah. Stanley is in still mute. Okay. Stanley, did you call Ayan? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. First, he's not coming.
Coming. Alright.
Okay. Okay. The first theme, everybody noted down, orderliness. And those who have not watched the video, I will be sending video in lockdown group. You watch it again. Okay. So for orderliness, you need to, do one activity. Orderliness means you have to keep everything in order. So can you see your room? Is it tidy or unclean? Tidy or unclean? Tidy. Who does it? It is neat, isn't it? Who cleans it?
Mother.
Mother. Many of you are also helping your mother, isn't it? So when you have party or when you have something, guests are coming, or when small children come to your houses, what happens? They will keep everything here and there, isn't it? And everything will be in a messy way. And all
They'll
the
messed up.
lying here and there, and after they go, you keep everything in their proper places. So that is orderliness. Same way when you come to school, or right now when you are attending your Zoom class, before that what you'll do, you will search your shirt, you will search your headphones, you will search comb, and all the things will be lying here and there. So that is not orderliness. So I also know myself. So when I am getting ready for Zoom class, sometimes I'll be throwing my saris, sometimes I'll be putting my laptop here and there, I will be searching my mobile, dresses will be here and there, but after Zoom class I have to keep everything clean. So sometimes we are not able to follow orderliness, that's right. But if we are always in order, it will not be very, very difficult. Okay, so in orderliness, what is the activity over here? you have to take a picture of your messy room, a dirty room, or untidy room, or a video. And after you clean it, you keep everything in your place. For example, shoes in their place, books in their place, laptop, your mobiles or electronic gadgets on a particular place, and all your clothes in cupboards. So you have to show in video or in picture that you are doing that. Okay, maybe you are picking certain things and putting in some places, and you will be taking videos and pictures. And before messy room also, you are going to you will be keeping you will be taking the pictures or the video. And after cleaning it, you will make a video, combine it, and you send it to me. That is your activity. So don't do only one day. Yes, Hazard.
हम लोग तो रूम साफ करते क्या करें?
हाँ?
हम
Yes.
लोग का रूम साफ ही रहता है.
साफ ही रहता है. अच्छा अच्छा.
गंदा करे कर लेना.
नहीं. That is what Ayan did actually. Ayan is here. Ayan, where is he?
Yes, ma'am.
से गंदा करे कितना?
Ayan, everybody switch on your videos. Aman Khan, Alina, Ayan, Vanya. Vanya तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, but she is not listening to me. I have to talk to her father. Yes, everybody. Saurav, Suhail is having a network issue, he says. Okay, now I tell you. See clearly. Ayan room was so neat, so clean, and he was having beautiful house. So he dropped certain things here and there, and he picked up to do that activity. Isn't it, Ayan? So when I forwarded this particular pictures to Shweta ma'am, she told that his room is very neat and he is doing for the activity. That's good. So who does it? Maybe your mother, because right now many maids are not coming to your houses, isn't it? And some of you are also doing it. So you have to do that activity. But in whatever way you can show yourself in video that you are keeping books in their order. You can show that you are keeping shoes in right order. You can show that you are keeping kitchen materials, maybe vessels or the things which you have eaten, you are keeping in kitchen in the right place. Okay, in order. So this is the first theme. Everybody has noted down the orderliness. Second theme is made by all the other three videos.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please you watch that. Second theme is cleanliness. All of you write cleanliness. Those who have not written, those who do not know the theme. Second theme. First theme was orderliness. Second theme was not now. Second theme was cleanliness. Okay. Cleanliness, everybody knows that. So it is more or less similar to your orderliness. So when you keep everything in order, your room will look clean, isn't it? And you have to sweep, you have to mop the floor, and you have to, dust you have to do dusting, all the tables and the chairs. So second is cleanliness. Third, what is the third? Third is regularity. Regularity, yes, Ayan knows that. Good. So third theme is regularity. Okay. And by the time when you're listening to me, everybody has to take screenshot and sending me. Those who are not taking screenshot with their pictures and with my picture, no attendance. Okay. Yeah. Third theme was regularity. And today's theme is, this week's theme is accountability. Accountability. I repeat, first theme was orderliness. Second theme, cleanliness. Namasvi, are you writing? Are you writing? Do not sleep. Sit properly. Yes. Sit properly and write. Yeah, ये तो सो के ही पढ़ती हैं. Namasvi, sit and write. Yeah. So, orderliness. Second, cleanliness. Third, regularity. And fourth is accountability. So those who have not watched the video,
Accountability.
yeah, those who have not watched the video of orderliness, cleanliness, and regularity. I will be sending today. Only orderliness is made by me. Other two videos are made by Shweta ma'am, and today's video is also made by Shweta ma'am. Okay, please go and watch it. And you have to write. You have to make a small thin copy. We will not be writing many things. We will only write the theme and the Bible verse in your value education copy. So you maintain one small old copy, be okay for with me. So you take one old copy or the previous copies which you are left out with. Last year you use for value education or anything which is empty. So you write all the headings with the date and you write the verse, okay, and what is the activity given. That's it. So activity generally it will be the practical one. You need not write somewhere, okay, you have to do it. So orderliness, I told you, same way you have to do the activity of cleanliness and regularity given by Shweta ma'am. Same activity we are going to follow. And today's topic was accountability. What do you mean by account? Yeah, accounts. What does it deal with? Does account talks about science? Does account talks about Hindi? Have you heard this word have you heard this word somewhere? Have you heard these words?
Obedience.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who have watched the video, they know it. So have you
Yes,
heard
ma'am.
this accounts, the word in mathematics or by commerce student, those who study maths? Okay, do you know after 10th standard, we are having separate groups. We are having science group. You know that, those who take science, you know, those who take arts, humanities, those who study, you know, deep about, you know, all the histories and psychology, all those things. And have you heard students learning about commerce students? Okay.
Started accounting.
Commerce students, they learn accounts. Okay, accounts means handling certain datas, and accounts should be, you know, it should be not false, it should be true. If you have spent 5 rupees, you will be giving the accounts correctly. Am I clear? So you should not be lying that I spent here and there. So many people, they are, you know, they go to jail or they are to be blamed when they do not handle the money properly. So they are not accountable. So today you are going to learn how you are accountable. So for online class, Asad, who is accountable for the online class? For you. For your online class, is Etesham will be responsible? Or your mother will be responsible? No? So you will be responsible for your online classes. If you are not joining, definitely I am calling your mother and father and talking to them. But mother and father, they are also telling, parents are telling, ma'am, हमने तो phone दे दिया, they are not using for online classes. They are playing, they are having games. They're not, you know, joining the online classes. Some are not sleeping on time and not getting properly. So that's how they are not able to do. So for your classes, you are purely responsible for the online classes. For your homework, Alina, if you don't do your homework, so can I ask Priya for that? No?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so that is accountability. Okay, so for your homework only you are responsible. I won't be asking another person. And when you tell lie, if you all are telling lie, so I won't be asking 7C students, I will be asking 8C students. For each and everything you will be accountable. Okay, so that's how we are going to learn. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm sorry to interrupt. Actually, I have to leave the meeting. My father is calling.
Okay, yeah.
For 2 minutes.
Okay. Yes. So you all are accountable for your wrongdoings. जो भी आप गलत काम करते हैं, for that also you are accountability. So you all must have seen the ma'am's video, isn't it? So she talked about one Bible verse also. So you watch it again. So I am reading for my mobile, which she posted. So it is from Romans 14:12 and Galatians 6:7. So then each of you will give an account of himself to God. More than that, God is watching you in secret, what you are doing, whether it is right and wrong. So if it is right, he will reward you. If it is wrong, he will correct you and you have to tell him why you did like this. Okay. Galatians 6:7, it says, a man reaps what he sows. So whatever you do, you will get the result. So if it is wrong, you will get the wrong result. If it is right, you will get the right result. Okay, students. So this is the verse she shared. And what is the importance of accountability? It will help you to be responsible in some actions. So if you think, okay, I am the responsible person for this, so you will be more responsible and you will learn and you will be always active and you will improve in your academic performance and achievements. Okay. And accountability, it will also remove or eliminate the time and effort you spend on distracting activities like your games. Not distracting activities, you can play games but not not all the time, and your unproductive behavior. So it will, when you are accountable, it will remove the distracting activities also, and you will be more responsible. So this is the verse. And did you see the activity which ma'am had shown? So I am showing you from mobile. Did you see this kind of flower? She when she posted a video, have you seen like this flower? So if you watch
Yes, ma'am.
the whole video, you will see. So you have to make this kind of one activity, and you will be writing in that what my accountability, like helping others, household chores. So in your house, many of you are responsible for bringing milk from the shop, isn't it? Many of you are responsible for switching off all the lights when everybody goes, or many of you are responsible for certain work in your home, isn't it? And obedience, online education, everything. So ma'am has given 1 to 4 parts. You can add more again. Okay. So you do that. So you can do this particular activity in your chart paper or small sheet of paper, or any activity sheets you can use. So you can do that. Okay. And you will be submitting me this week. Am I clear? So please know in your value education copy, what is your work? Write the heading,
Yes, ma'am.
write the Bible verse, and write the activity which is shown in the given in the video. So we have four themes. First one, orderliness. Second one, cleanliness. Third one, regularity, and fourth one is accountability. That's all for today. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, because your next class is already going to start, because I have taken your break period. So is Suresh sir taking your Zoom class, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you can follow the videos what he is sending you. Okay, so today I will be sending you your
Ma'am?
marks also, your science marks also after maybe 11:30. I have not finished checking. So please, those who have not written the test, you have to inform me. Am I clear? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम वो श्वेता मैम ने एक एक्टिविटी दिया था, वो एक रॉक पे हमें डिजाइन करना है, वाटर कलर से पेंट करना है.
Which topic
मैम वो
was
रॉक
it?
तो मिल ही नहीं रहा.
कोई बात नहीं.
Ma'am,
If you are not getting any rock, you can use some other waste materials, any other small vessel or anything discarded things in your home. You can use it. Okay. Any discarded things,
Okay, ma'am.
any waste things which you are not using, you can use that. Okay. Okay. So all of you will write the theme and send it to me after 11:30, after your class. Okay. Write the theme, write the Bible verse and the activity. And one more thing.